Welcome to this video on Schoology conferences. In this video we will talk about the chat and shared notes functions. From the main page you will see on the left side public chat and shared notes. In public chat you'll notice two bulletins. The first one coming from the makers of the conference and the second one giving you the information for a dial-in. The dial-in option allows a user to phone in using the phone number here and the pin below to hear the audio from the conference. The chat functions like any other chat that you're used to on any other social media, and goes out to everybody within the chat itself, and anybody within the chat can reply back. Chat does have options of save, copy, and clear. Save creates a file that downloads automatically. Copy takes the information from the chat and allows you to put it in place here. And clear does exactly what you think it does. Shared notes acts as a notepad within the class. You can add notes in there to begin, or you can add as you go. Keep in mind, shared notes is locked by default for users outside of the moderator. To allow them to have access, you can click on a user and promote them to moderator. This allows them to have full access, and they'll see the same thing you see here. Once they're done typing, you can demote them back if need be. This concludes this video on Schoology conferences. Please take a look at the other videos which may interest you. Thank you for your time.